Nowadays, giant machines play an important role in the forestry logging process. With the ability to quickly cut and process wood, these machines have helped optimize labor efficiency. Please follow the operation of these powerful and advanced machines. Please subscribe to our channel to receive more interesting videos. Let's start with the TimberPro TEL 755 forestry processor, equipped with a very large Quadso 27C weighing nearly 10,000 lbs, processing approximately 35 trees per minute, perfectly combining power with precision. When moving through the forest, the TEL 755 leaves traces of professionally and efficiently harvested wood. Close-up of the sharp moment of a powerful chainsaw blade cutting through giant blocks of wood processed by the TimberPro 755 cutter. Sweden. The 1170 mower is equipped with a powerful 282 horsepower engine. This nimble machine processes around 30 trees per minute, and its advanced cutting head and precision transform the forest into a thriving, well-managed ecosystem. In the field of master wood carving, the Legends Husqvarna 2172XP chainsaw with 105 km bar takes center stage, boasting a powerful engine, operating at an impressive cutting speed about 55 feet per second. It deftly handles the enormous task of felling an ancient tree with precision. Continuing with another angle in Sweden, the John Deere 1170 H212 lawnmower takes center stage, boasting a powerful 286 horsepower engine. With an impressive processing speed of about 32 trees per minute. When moving through the Swedish forest, the 1170 H212's advanced cutting head leaves a trail of precisely and quickly harvested logs. According to the Style 46 chainsaw, it proved its strength with a powerful 76.5 cc engine. It easily conquered a large tree. Operating at an impressive cutting speed of approximately 66 feet per second, the Style 46 turns a formidable challenge into a seamless display of power and precision. In the field of wood mastering, the Echo CS 35510 chain saw stands out, equipped with a powerful engine. With a cutting speed of about 47 feet per second, it deftly solves the challenge of felling an ancient tree and processing the wood into beautiful works of art. In the vast forests of the United States, the Eltec H226 LogMax 7000 harvester is powered by a powerful engine with a 330 horsepower firewood processor and an impressive processing speed of approximately 25 trees per minute. This machine combines seamless between strength and precision in wood processing. In the middle of the forest, powerful chainsaws were roaring, equipped with powerful engines giving orders to cut down a giant tree. With a cutting speed of about 60 feet per second, this wood-carving masterpiece easily transforms giant tree trunks into meticulously cut wood. Witness the symphony of power and precision as this chainsaw dance reshapes the landscape. If you love these giant machines, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. We will tell you in the next video. Let's continue with the giant wood-cutting machine operating at high capacity in a cold forest. In the icy landscape of the United States, the Tapio 400 harvester, with its rugged design and sharp saw blades, has demonstrated its ability to operate effectively in cold conditions, effectively processing about 20 crops per minute with high speed, accuracy, and speed. The Wacker-Neuson ET90 is equipped with a Conrad Woody 42, demonstrating its versatility as a formidable logging machine. With a powerful 74.3 horsepower motor and operating at impressive speeds, the machine handles wood chopping efficiently. Close-up of sharp saw blade processing majestic forest wood. The simple handle and fast motor help him cut wooden parts easily and accurately, saving time. His experience and skill in operating a saw combined with a sharp saw blade helped him create a work of art at the Finnish Lumberjack School. In the snowy woods, the Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw has good resilience, tackling logging jobs with its powerful 70.6 cc engine. Operating at a fast cutting speed of about 68 feet per second helps him process wood in a short time and saves working time. In the field of wood mastery, the Style 46 chainsaw boasts a powerful 76.5 cc engine with precision, operating at an impressive cutting speed of approximately 66 feet per second. The Style 46 easily turns a formidable challenge into a captivating display of power. At the heart of forestry excellence is the TigerCat LX830 forestry harvester with its powerful 320 horsepower engine, which expertly tackles the mammoth task of felling large trees with precision. In a dense forest in America, a woodcutter equipped with a powerful engine performed the task of felling a giant tree. With precision and power, this wonder of forestry operates at an incredible speed of about 50 feet per second, easily turning giant tree trunks into meticulously cut wood. Next, let's see the process of processing a large tree with the Timber Pro Thales 735 Chewy woodcutter with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, increasing work efficiency during the day. With its expertise in wood, the chainsaw can move through the forest with a combination of power and precision. With its powerful motor, it operates at a cutting speed of about 50 feet per second, easily turning ancient giants into carefully crafted wood. Close-up of the process of processing large wood trunks in America with the Echo CS3 510 Wolf Pup and CS590 Rabid Wolf saws. With a high-performance meter combined with a sharp saw blade, it creates a perfect work of art. Each tree is processed gently and neatly thanks to these giant wood cutting machines. Not only that, these advanced machines also help people save their time and labor. Let's see the operating mechanism of the machine. The Husqvarna 371 XP chainsaw emerges as a formidable force, controlled by strong people. With a cutting speed of about 55 feet per second, it gracefully undertakes the challenge of felling a majestic old tree. A giant, sharp saw combined with sturdy supporting pillars has made it easy to split old logs in half. A powerful engine and each precise cut have created products for the forestry industry great. In the heart of the wilderness, the Newson Forest 8002 have harvester stands tall, powered by a controlled engine. Processing wood at a remarkable speed of around 30 trees per minute, it expertly navigates the forest, shaping it with precision. The Newson Forest 8002 HV is more than just a harvester, it's a technological marvel. Let's take a close look at the wood cutting process of the Husqvarna 562 Wang C2 Wang 2 pulling bar I chain 20. Let's see his skill in using the cutting machine. Precise and gentle cuts helped him take down the tree in less than 10 minutes. In Finland, the process of felling a giant tree was carried out by a man with a lot of experience. This video will not disappoint you. Let's watch this powerful moment. At the forefront of its generation, the Husqvarna 560 XPI chain saw emerges as a true arborist, powered by a powerful motor. With an astonishing cutting speed of about 62 feet per second, it artistically performs the enormous task of felling a giant tree. The skillful and harmonious combination between men and the John Deere 1170H212 machine worked at high capacity day and night to create perfect logs in time for processing. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.